Alright, so we're now in the second phase of the process of setting up your free Weebly website for the system. So we're going to go right over here to the YouTube module and we're going to upload a video related to our particular topic. So in my example for this video, I'm going to be promoting a ClickBank product on the ClickBank Marketplace, and this product is going to be, it happens to be in the niche of making money online, and it's related to making money taking paid surveys. And so I would go over here and I would look for videos related to, make money surveys. That might be an idea. And I would just type that in. And so here is a video. It happens to be one related to the product that I'm promoting, but this is a video that I could potentially add to, add to my particular website. So what I would do is come right over here and go right over here where it says URL, right click it, copy it, come right back over here to Weebly where it says YouTube video URL. I would just paste it in there. And then I just come over here and click over here on the outside, and it should save the video. It might have to do it a couple times, so let's try this one more time. So paste that in there. You can adjust the size of your video to small, medium, or large. Let's size it down to medium and position it in the center, and then let's just click off there. So now we have a relevant video. And just again to show you an example so you don't think you're stuck promoting what I'm doing, let's type in weight loss. That's a popular product people like to sell, and you would just type in weight loss. You could type in let's say that it is a Blu-ray DVD player that you want to promote. You could type that in and see what kind of results come up. So there's some different ideas. So you could find videos related to Blu-ray players, whatever you happen to be promoting. So now so far we've got our article set up, we've got our links established. This is what went over in the last video. We've got relevant RSS feeds with updated content, and we now have a video related to our content. So now we have a very website that's featured around particular content. Now I would recommend possibly moving the video module upwards. So you just click it and you drag it. That's exactly how you're going to move things in the system. Is just click and drag your mouse. And notice how now we reordered it. So now the YouTube video is there and we've got the RSS feeds there. Now one other thing you could do here is go up here to basic, and you can just come right over here and you could add a new paragraph with title you could add, or you could just add just a standard paragraph, and you could just stick that right above the RSS feed, possibly right above the video. And so where it says paragraph, click here to edit. You just edit that and then just write some text that encourages people to click. Um, let's see, paid surveys for cash, get the solution now. And then you just highlight that text. We could center it right here by clicking on that. You could come over here and make it bold. We can actually add a link to it and just click on website again to add that link. Come right over here, do pin url.com money survey, and then go ahead and click on save. And then now that link is live, so it's just one more spot they could potentially click, that your visitors could potentially click and find what you're looking for. So the next thing that you do is we're going to come up here. Now that this is set up and it's looking good, you're going to come right up here to where it says publish, and you're going to go ahead and publish it. So just go right here and click on that orange publish button, and it says option A, subdomain of Weebly, or option B, register a new domain. You want to go with option A because we're doing the free method here, and keep in mind that this method is very good and it does work. Now what you want to do here is input the keyword that you are trying to target. So in my example, I'm targeting the keyword paid surveys for cash. Now if you were targeting how to make money online, let's say you're targeting Commission Blueprint, which is a product out there in ClickBank, and you want to put in there that your keyword is Commission Blueprint review, whatever you're trying to promote. Maybe it's a Nintendo Wii review website. Maybe it's a Sonic the Hedgehog video game review site, whatever you want to promote, a Logitech USB headset website, you could do that as well. So just take your keyword and I would just paste it in there, and then you can clean it up once it's in there. So you want to just take out the capital letters. So take out the capital letters that you're going for, and then make sure there's no spaces. This will help you with the search engine rankings. So now you got paid surveys for cash .weebly.com. So now I've got my keyword in there. So whatever your keyword is, lose weight now.weebly.com. Now let's say for some reason, like let's say you're doing weight loss and somebody already has that, obviously, so you could do weight loss 123 as an example. That is available. That actually is a good name. So that is an example. So we got paid surveys for cash.weebly.com. I'm going to verify that as my keyword again. Paid surveys for cash.weebly.com, and then I just click over here and continue, and it's actually publishing my website. So your site has been successfully published to paid surveys for cash.weebly.com. So what I do next is go ahead and I just clicked on it. So now I want to just see what my website actually looks like now that it is live. So this is what the live version of this website is going to look like. So you notice here it's optimized well for the search engines. Up here we've got our title tags, so keep that in mind. That's good for search engines. Your title tag should have your keyword in it, and it does. Drag it right down here. We've got the main tag of the page says that. First part of the article has the keyword, and the first sentence of the article has the keyword. So this is very well optimized for this keyword. Now one other thing you want to double check, and this is very important, is you're going to want to go about and click right here just to make sure that your link is functioning how it should. And my link is working just fine, so that's great. And so we can close that out. And this product tries to get you to buy again, so that's good. So let's go back here and click on our website. And I want to go through, and what I want to do is test every single link again, just to make sure that the links are functioning and working as they should. So I'll come back over here, and we're just going to click on this link just to make sure it's functioning, and it looks like it is. It's taking me directly over to the product, so that's good. Okay, so that took me right to the product. I'll just go back to the page. And then we're going to scroll down. We have the link right here one more time just to make sure that this is working as it should. And it looks like I actually have a bad link. So that is a good thing that I checked. So, and I'm not sure why that link is not working. Oh, I put the words correctly. It should be survey money. So what I'll do now is come right back over here to Weebly, and I can just click on that little X, and just to edit this I would just come right down here to this link, click right there, highlight it, click on the link, go to website, and just retype it in pinurl.com/survey money, and then click on save, and then click my mouse outside just so it saves the changes, and we would come right back up here to our website and refresh it. So I'm glad that happened, and that's one reason you want to check, because last thing you want to do is get people to your site and then your affiliate link is not working, so you can't get sales. And it looks like I did the same mistake again. That is almost embarrassing. So let's see here. So survey money. So let's try refreshing that one more time. And it looks like it didn't take the change. So what you want to do now, go right back here to your site, your Weebly website, and go ahead and click on publish. You want to just republish that change that you made. That's a mistake I made there. So go ahead and just republish it. And so it's now been successfully published. So you'd click on it after it's been successfully published. And I actually don't go in and edit a lot of the errors I make when I'm teaching people, just because I want to show you that when you make errors, it's very simple to fix these, and want you to learn from these mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes as you're doing this, so don't get discouraged. So now it looks like it's going to work, and it does, so that's great news. So let's just go back to our website. And so now we have it's a clean, simple looking website. You could easily change the design if you want. You could add additional pages of content as you write new articles. And so this is your basic website that you want to have set up. So it's very basic, very simple, and this is what we're going to be using to funnel traffic through. So now you kind of have an idea of how to utilize Weebly and how to tap into the power of Weebly as well. So this is your overview of how to set up Weebly. In the next videos, we're going to go to a real fun part, which is driving traffic, because that's how you're going to start seeing some results and start hopefully making some money and some sales with the system. So let's just go ahead and pause this, close out this video and get ready for the next videos where we're going to start driving traffic so you can start making some money with the system.